Hi, Mr. Toby Bass.
Yes, that's right.
Very nice to meet you here.
Nice to meet you too.
It's an honor to be here at your UBITO booth. And I got a couple of questions for you.
Great.
Wiegand Multiturn Technology has been drawing growing interest across the industry, sometimes even described as Wiegand wave. Could you briefly introduce the technology to us and explain why it becomes such an important trend in industrial automation?
It's essentially a technology based on the Wiegand effect. What's really special about the Wiegand effect is a kind of magical little wire. And what's special about this wire is that when you combine it with a pickup coil like this, and you have a rotating magnet, you're able to have a very consistent pulse of energy. Over time, we've been able to optimize the technology to generate enough energy to power the electronics for counting. When there's no power, intermittent power cuts, for example, you have to still be able to know how many rotations you've made.
Right.
And this challenge is usually solved with a battery or with a complex gearing.
Yes.
And obviously, we want to try and get rid of batteries, have a sustainable future. Also, there are other issues with batteries. They need to be replaced. It's harder to maintain.
Yeah.
And so with this solution, you simply have the Wiegand sensor and a rotating magnet. And this provides the power for your electronics to count and remember the number of rotations that you have. So that we now have our V-Series sensor. V is for versatile. With our new versatile sensor, you can use many more different magnetic systems. Makes it much easier for customers to integrate into various different application concepts and considerations. The other new member of our portfolio is the UBICYCL. And this is really exciting. So for the first time, we've developed our own application-specific IC. So we've developed an ultra-low power IC that works in perfect harmony with our V-Series sensor to allow customers to develop their own integrated solution.
For the customer's perspective, how strong is the demand for the battery-free and low-maintenance solutions? Could you share some typical applications scenario where these new products have already deployed?
Right, for sure. I mean, actually, the Wiegand in a multi-turn counting scenario used in rotary encoders has a history of about 20 years now. And what we're seeing now is in any motion control scenario, it's valuable to eradicate the battery, right? So obviously in motion control, we're seeing a massive demand increase. The other area which is really exciting at the moment is the humanoid robotics. And here you have a huge number of motors within one device, many actuators, many moving parts. And obviously in a robot situation, it's very difficult to have all of these batteries. It's extra weight, extra maintenance. So these two kind of driving forces are really increasing the market demand.
Looking specifically at China and broader Asian market, in which industry do you see the main adoption of these technologies?
Over the next 5 or 10 years, there's going to be an enormous explosion in automation, particularly in China. It's a big news story at the moment. Yeah, at every show, you have all these amazing robotic developments and innovations. And this is a big driving factor for the volumes over the next 5 to 10 years.
UBITO's portfolio is becoming increasingly diverse.
Yes.
And how do you see the UBITO's role evolving within the Araba group over the next 3 to 5 years?
Yeah, it's a great question and a really exciting time for us. So traditionally, UBITO was in fact spun out from POSITAL. So the technology used to be part of POSITAL's core technology. We spun it out to see how far we could push the technology and also to bring it to new markets. And we expect that over the next 3 to 5 years, we'll become increasingly independent of POSITAL. They will always remain our favorite customer, obviously, but we'll become more independent of them with a wider customer base. But also, where they're specialized in motion control and industrial automation and machinery, UBITO will really start to branch out into new industries, new areas where the Fraba Group previously hasn't had a lot of expertise and experience. And we're excited to break new strides into different industries and applications.
That sounds so great. Okay, finally, what is the key message would you like the visitors and wide industry to take away from UBITO's participation in this CAF 2025?
Right. It's a wonderful exhibition with a really huge base and visitors from all over the world. And I think the main message we're really trying to promote here is that Wiegand-based solutions are really ready, and they're here to support the industry and many other industries to move beyond batteries, to have a more sustainable future and an energy harvesting technology for tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you too, Jason.
Thank you.